Good day, electrical enthusiasts. For today's video, I'm going to present here a very simple circuit about the automatic load transfer system, simply called ATS. I'm using here the program or the free software available, and they call it Electrical Control Technique Simulator, EKTS, developed by BIPA on my presentation. This ATS is used to transfer the power supply from one source to another alternative source with a minimum downtime. The ATS that I'm going to present here is break before make, meaning that if one power supply source is suddenly interrupted or manually switched off, then the alternative power supply will take place and feed the load. The ATS which I designed can be operated either in manual or in automatic mode. As you can see on the screen, we have here a three-line diagram with two different sources, one from the normal utility power supply and the other from any alternative supply like the generator, which is supplying the common loads. Okay, gents, as you can see from the AC schematic diagram, I will explain first the different components that I use for these simulations. And these are as follows. We have two power sources, one from utility power and the other from generator that will be feeding different electrical loads. We have three main breakers, CBO1 from the utility power source, CBO2 from the generator side, and lastly CBO3 for the load side. We have also here two main contactors, U and G, and here are their main contacts. We have also two timers, GT and UT, which I set it for 5 seconds. We have here also two auto manual switches. This selector switch is to operate the ATS either in manual or in automatic. And we have also here two emergency push button, two start-stop switches, and we have here also a voltage relay that will monitor the utility power supply, whether it is available or not. And we have also here, as you can see, one DC auxiliary relay that will be used to give command to the generators to start and stop. And a three-phase motor that will be used as an example to our loads. And lastly, one single-phase motor that will represent the generator, whether it is running or in stop position. Okay, now we will discuss about the manual operation of this ATS. Okay, to start this, we need to run this program, and we have to close these breakers, CBO1, CBO2, CBO3. Take note that the timer for UT is already time out. The contact of UT is already closed, and the indication is of our contactor is in off position, meaning it is still not energized, this main contactor. So we'll proceed to our testing the manual operation of this ATS. So everything is ready. We will be just putting this start button to, we'll start this push button, and it will immediately provide supply to the loads like this motor. Okay, so I will push this one and take note that the motor is running. and we'll stop it from here. And sorry, okay, now we will be stopping it from here, and then start, and we'll test this emergency push button if it is going to work. Okay, the motor stop, sorry. Then okay, to manually test the operation of the DG side power supply, we need to switch off this CBO1 to simulate the loss of supply from utility. Okay, so you can see that generator is now running because this SR contact gives command to start this generator. So the timer also time out after 5 seconds. As you can see from this, the contact is also in closed position now, and it's ready to, this main contactor G is ready now to energize by pushing this start button. Now we will start this one. See, look at this. The motor, the load is getting supply now. So we can stop it from here and start it again, and stop the through emergency push button. Okay, and now let us see. For example, we put this breaker on again, and what will happen? So the generator will stop, and then we are now ready again to put the supply back to utility. Oh, look at this. All right, this is the manual operation of this ATS, and now we will proceed to the automatic operation. Okay, we'll stop again this one, and I will also present to you this automatic operation of this ATS. Again, we need to run this program, and we'll close this breakers and also these loads, and we'll put this auto manual switch to auto position, and then by the way, once you put this in auto position, this will immediately give supply to the load, or it will give, energize this main contactor immediately, since we have a complete circuit now from this side up to the side. Okay, so you can expect that there will be supply to your loads. Okay, I'll put it now to auto. See, look at this. Immediately the circuit, the main contactor got energized and gives supply to the loads. Okay, now since the other side is already also in auto, to make sure that this is operating, we need to put this in this breaker in opposition. Okay, to simulate the loss of supply from utility. Okay, I will put it off, and generator started. The timer is timing out, and after timing out, the main contactor G got energized and close this main contact, and supply the loads. Okay, for example, you see the generator, it is running. And now we will return the supply to the utility. So you will find this. Okay, so we close this breaker. The timer again started, and after 5 seconds, it will give supply to the loads. Okay. All right. That is the automatic transfer of our ATS. Okay, gents, I hope you enjoy my presentation. Have a nice day and see you in my next video. By the way, please don't forget to like and share and put your comments below. Thank you.